Adidas is not just a brand. It is an idea born from belief. In the early 1920s, in a small town in Germany, a young shoemaker named Adolf "Addy" Dassler began crafting shoes in his mother's laundry room. Addy believed something powerful, that the right shoes could change how an athlete performs. In 1936, that belief was tested on the world stage. At the Berlin Olympic Games, American athlete Jesse Owens wore Dassler's shoes and won 4 gold medals. The world took notice. After World War II, in 1949, Addy officially founded a new company. He named it Adidas from his own name, Addy Dassler. That same year, he introduced 3 simple stripes, not for fashion, but for support, stability, and performance. In 1954, Adidas changed football forever. The German national team won the World Cup wearing Adidas boots with removable studs, giving them control when the field was wet and the pressure was high. Over the decades, Adidas moved beyond sports, into culture, into music, into the streets. From Olympic stadiums to global fashion, Adidas became a symbol of innovation, discipline, and identity. And today, the mission remains the same: to help athletes perform better through design, technology, and belief. Because every great movement starts with one simple idea: